Ready to set up your Spectrum cable box yourself? Great. First, let's connect the hardware. You'll need the cable, coaxial cable, HDMI cable, and power adapter from your self-install kit. Coaxial cable connection. Screw one end of the coaxial cable into the cable in or RF in port on the back of your Spectrum cable box. Connect the other end to the cable wall outlet. HDMI connection. Connect one end of the HDMI cable into the HDMI out port on your cable box and the other end into an available HDMI port on your TV. Power up. Plug the power adapter into the cable box and then into a power outlet. Ethernet, optional. For a more stable internet connection, especially for on-demand features, connect an Ethernet cable from your modem or router to the Ethernet port on the back of the cable box. Make sure all connections are snug but not over-tightened. With the physical connections in place, you're ready to activate your box. Now that everything's connected, let's activate and test your Spectrum cable box. Spectrum has made the activation process very simple via their app or website. Turn on your TV and select the correct HDMI input for the cable box. You should see a Spectrum activation screen. For digital activation, scan the QR code on the screen or go to spectrum.net/self-install in your web browser or the Spectrum app on your smartphone or tablet. You'll need your Spectrum account information. Follow the prompts to enter your service ID and pair the box with your account. The system will download any necessary software. Once activated, power on the cable box. Check the channel lineup to ensure you're receiving all channels you subscribe to. Test DVR functionality if applicable. Verify your internet speed. Spectrum recommends at least 25 megabit per sec for smooth streaming. If you experience any issues, double-check your connections, reboot your modem and cable box, and utilize the live chat support feature within the Spectrum app. Enjoy your self-installed Spectrum cable box.